Ijeoma the cheat. Rama the instigator.
What is she talking about?
Hey, God is punishing my concern.
Do you even know what she's been eating? She's got all of you food in this shop, but not me.
But no sex. Definitely not on your first date.
Akunta, you are creating a scene.
Oh, madam, scene is in the movie.
What? Your lesbian fixation?
Huh? You call that a lesbian fixation? It is happening live. I am just coming from their room.
A reckless allegation without proof.
I'll cut off your head like a snake.
Let me strongly advise all of you to be like the good carpenter. Measure twice before you cut.
But my body say yeah, 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 yeah. My mind say no, 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 no. I'm the class, boy, I don't need your cash.
Blessing Barnacle.
That's why they call me Danger.
Advance! Retreat! Hey! Jesus!
You bats in the woods, snakes in the woods. I told you I'll be back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.